Let's start. Today we will see how to plot central pivot range levels, that is CPR levels in the Tradingview Pine script. This is the indicator function with the name CPR. Here we calculate yesterday's high, low, and close values using the security function. The first argument is the stock name. The second argument is the daily time frame. The third argument is the high, low, and close values with bracket 1 in front of them. The bracket 1 fetches the previous day's value here. The fourth argument handles the gaps. The fifth argument fetches higher time frame data and merges it into current bars. All this exercise prevents indicator repainting, as we have seen in one of the previous videos of indicator repainting issues. Next, this is how we calculate the pivot point using the average of high, low, and close values. This is how we calculate the bottom CPR level. This is how we calculate the top CPR level. Here we plot the pivot level, along with bottom and top CPR levels. Here we have created labels for these labels. We only want the labels at the last bar or the latest bar, so we delete all the previous labels over here. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, the white line is the pivot line. The green line is the top CPR level. The red line is the bottom CPR level. So that's it. That's how you can plot the CPR levels in the Tradingview Pine script. Thank you.